Right, on YouTube, hopefully you can hear me. We're back. An SD card in. Somehow I managed to forget to put one in one of the cameras, so that was a bit of a shame. But we're back, and I'm going to warn you now, we might not talk a great deal in this race, because there will be a fair amount of concentration going to have to happen. As you can see, it's wet, but we're here at Croft, my local track. And we're starting in reverse grid race from yesterday, and yeah, basically I think we're in an alright position to go forward here, hopefully. Initial impressions here is it's very, very wet, very greasy. There's typical tower bend. Taking some work scrubbing these in. So very, very thankful. Gary, the garage, has been very, very kind, and bought me 2 brand new tyres to put on the front. So we've basically put our 2 best tyres on the front, brand new, and our other 2 best tyres onto the back. Right. Well, this is, I think, going to all depend on the start. We can't really tell what's going to happen. The brake line's forward. So it works the opposite way to the way you want it to work. We'll leave it there for now and we'll see what the brakes does. Right, just ready for the lights. As I said, we might not talk much here, but we'll just give it our best shot, guys, and see what we can do. So, I tell you what, you wait a long time when you're this far forward. Waiting for that 5-second board. Blanking out, there it is. Watching for the red lights. It was a not bad start. It's been a mirror in. Go wide here, where the grip is hopefully. That wasn't very nice. Well, this is going to take a bit of track knowledge, I'll tell you that much. Both mirrors folded in, so I can't actually see a thing. That's Kirkpatrick on the outside, giving him room, but he's giving a bit of a squeeze. Safety car. Which that's my position, I believe. Well, I want that up, not that one. Wonder why we're fogging up a bit. Will it help to have the window open in wet weather? I don't know, if I'm honest. Hopefully my screen continues to clear a bit more than it already is, because as you can see, it's starting to mist up a smidgen. Definitely going to be a difficult race. much. I think it's understandable why I'm not going out. Whoa, that was slippy through there. Yeah, we've got a bit of a dilemma here where I can see, but it's not great, I'll be honest with you. Lights are still on the safety car, so we're not going this lap. It'd be nice if my mirrors were falling apart, because I cannot see a thing. So my window is getting slightly better. I can now see sort of underneath where the mist is. This whole right side corner is a bit blind, as you can see. This was incredibly slippy through here. Safety car lights are out. that there was flipping tragic, people. That's probably the hardest conditions I've had to drive in by far. And I hope, I just saw a medic car there. Oh God, there's someone off here. This race is going to get cold, I'm sure it is. I'm sure, like, you can't race in this, I don't think. Who is it? It's, oh, Will Redford. He has been in the wall. Oh no, that's a big one. That's a big one. Did Edmondson get recovered or not? Did he manage to save it out from the wall? No, there's Edmondson as well. Doesn't look like the car's damaged, if I'm honest. Yeah, right, well, I don't even know what to do with this, really. The race might go, I'll look back at the footage and see whether I keep the talking in or not, but I don't even know whether there's any point, if I'm honest. Right, well, we'll catch up with you when I find out what's going on. In a bit, people.